All right, so if you have a nasty odor smell coming out of your disposal, here's some ways you can get that out of there naturally. So what we did was cut up some lemons. We're gonna stuff those down there. That will kind of get all that nasty brine and acidic coming from the lemon. So now we're just gonna put some 2 lemons down there. That'll probably be good enough for it. Turn the water back on. Yeah, so that should get rid of the odor. Now it's time to sharpen the blades up. So normally if you want to sharpen the blades up, you just put some ice down in there.